Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ananda Karina, and now I would like to talk about my experience of learning English language. Learning English has been a transformative journey for me, filled with challenges. From my experience, I realized that effective communication in English involves more than just learning words and grammar. Learning English requires a blend of reading, listening, grammar, and in-depth practice, all of which I on my journey to becoming fluent in its use. The first step in my learning was learning grammar. At first, I found grammar quite difficult. The rules seemed endless and the expression confusing. To overcome this, I used a dictionary to understand the meaning and usage of words. I spent hours memorizing the grammar rules, but I realized that memorize was not enough. I had to see the rules in the form of example sentence. And reading became my doorway to understanding grammar in context. I start with short stories and eventually move on to more complex English novels. Novels not only increase my vocabulary but also help me understand sentence structure and flow. I remember the first English novel I finished was Pride and Prejudice. It was an exciting moment of excitement. Every book I read improved my comprehension skill and exposed me to new expressions and idioms. An important part of my study strategy is using a dictionary to expand my vocabulary. I make it a habit to learn and use new words in my daily life. I also use various memorization techniques to remember new vocabulary and grammar rules. And trying to conversation with native speakers were probably the most challenging yet rewarding part of my learning. In addition to these methods, I found learning English through different media to be very beneficial, like watching English movies and TV shows, reading English newspapers, and even think in English helped me improve my fluency. Such activities make learning fun and don't feel like a chore. Part of my endeavor was to give presentation in English on courses related to my field of study. The preparation was intensive. I spent time researching, organizing my thoughts, and practicing my delivery. The experience was both challenging and enjoyable. Delivering the presentation successfully and understandably was a testament to how far I had come in mastering the English language. Today, I'm quite confident in my ability to communicate effectively in English. My learning journey has taught me that mastering a language is a multifaceted process that involves reading, listening, speaking, and constant practice. It requires dedication and to step out of the comfort zone. In conclusion, my personal journey in mastering English has been transformative experience. Through frequent practice, learning in various forms of media, and engaging in fun conversation, I have achieved fluency and confidence in English. This journey has not only improved my language skill but also encouraged my life in many ways. Maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.